Welcome to Compare. In today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of international phone codes and ISO country codes. Have you ever wondered why each country has a unique dialing code? Or why ISO codes are used in passports, banking, and trade? By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how these codes work, their significance, and how they compare across different nations. Let's start with international phone codes. These are numerical prefixes used to make international calls. The International Telecommunication Union (ITU) assigns these codes. For example, the United States has +1, the UK has +44, India has +91, and Pakistan has +92. Phone codes are divided into different groups based on continents: North America, USA +1, Canada +1, Mexico +52, Europe, UK +44, Germany +49, France +33, Asia, China +86, Japan +81, India +91, Africa, South Africa +27, Nigeria +234, Egypt +20, Australia and Oceania, Australia +61, New Zealand +64. The ITU assigns codes based on geographical location and population size. Some countries share codes. The USA and Canada both use +1 North American numbering plan. Vatican City shares +39 with Italy. Several Caribbean nations use +1 to 868, +1 to 876, etc. Single-digit codes: +1 USA, Canada, +7 Russia, Kazakhstan. Two-digit codes: +20 Egypt, +27 South Africa, +91 India. Three-digit codes: +358 Finland, +679 Fiji. Now, let's talk about ISO country codes, which are different from phone codes. The International Organization for Standardization (ISO) assigns these codes. They come in three formats: ISO 31661 alpha to two-letter code, US United States, GB United Kingdom. In India, PK Pakistan, ISO 31661 alpha 3-letter code, USA United States, GB or United Kingdom. IND India, PAK Pakistan, ISO 3166 to 1 numeric 3-digit code, 840 USA, 826 UK, 356 India, 586 Pakistan. Comparison table: different ISO codes from major countries. Country alpha to alpha 3 numeric. United States US USA 840. United Kingdom GB or 8 to 6. India IN 356. Pakistan PK PAK 586. ISO country codes are crucial in various sectors: banking and finance, used in IBAN numbers for international transactions, aviation and travel, appear on passports and airline tickets. For example, Pakistan equals PAK, India equals IND. Trade and shipping, used for customs and international shipping labels. For example, US for America, CN for China. Internet domains, countries have domain extensions based on ISO codes. For example, .us for USA, .uk for UK, .in for India. Now, let's compare phone codes versus ISO codes. Feature: phone codes. ISO codes. Purpose: international calling identification in banking, trade, and travel. Assigned by ITU. ISO. Format: numeric +1, +44, +92 alphanumeric US, USA, 840. Example: USA +1 US, USA, 840. Example: India +91 IND, 356. Key differences: phone codes are for dialing, while ISO codes are for identification. Some countries have similar numbers, but different ISO codes. Small countries share phone codes that have unique ISO codes. Here are some interesting facts about phone codes and ISO codes. Cologne. The shortest phone code is +1 USA. Canada The longest phone code is 999, used for test purposes. Kosovo +383 is one of the newest phone codes assigned in 2016. The UK has an ISO code, GB not UK, while Greece uses GR instead of its English name, Greece. In addition to individual country codes, some regions have special numbering plans that allow multiple countries to share a common prefix. For example, the European Union (EU) introduced a unified number for emergency services 112, which works across all EU member states, regardless of their individual country codes. Another unique case is the use of overlays and area codes within countries. While a country may have a single international dialing code, it often has multiple area codes internally. Did you know that some countries have changed their dialing codes over time? Germany originally had two separate country codes, +49 for West Germany and +37 for East Germany, until reunification in 1990. Afterward, East Germany adopted the +49 code, eliminating +37. Similarly, when Yugoslavia broke apart in the 1990s, each new country received its own dialing code. Serbia retained the old +381 code. Croatia was assigned +385. Slovenia received +386. Bosnia and Herzegovina got +387. In recent years, technological advancements have further influenced the evolution of these codes. With the widespread adoption of mobile phones, VoIP, and internet-based communications, traditional telephone numbering systems have adapted to handle a much larger volume of calls and data. Number portability, digital exchange systems, and virtual numbers have all contributed to a more flexible telecommunications infrastructure. This modernization ensures that even as populations grow and technology advances, the underlying structure of international dialing remains robust and efficient. On the ISO side, digitalization has made these country codes even more crucial. Global e-commerce platforms, social media networks, and online payment systems rely on ISO codes to segment users by region, tailor content, and comply with local regulations. In the world of data analytics, ISO country codes are essential for collecting and analyzing geographically segmented data, which businesses use to understand market trends and consumer behavior. This digital integration highlights how both phone codes and ISO codes have transcended their original purposes to become vital components in the digital economy. Historically, both coding systems have had to balance legacy practices with the need for modernization. Phone codes, for instance, were initially developed during a time when communication was less frequent and far less complex than it is today. As global communication expanded, adjustments were made to avoid overlaps and confusion, particularly in regions which share or closely linked political histories. Similarly, ISO codes have been updated to reflect political changes, newly formed nations, border redefinitions, and other geopolitical shifts. These periodic updates help maintain the relevance and accuracy of international standards, ensuring they mirror the current global landscape. The interaction between these systems and emerging technologies is an area of ongoing innovation. As the Internet of Things (IoT) grows, billions of devices are being connected worldwide. These devices, from smart home systems to industrial sensors, rely on accurate geographical data to function correctly. Ensuring that each device can be accurately mapped to a specific region often involves the use of ISO country codes. This convergence of telecommunications and digital identification underscores the importance of maintaining clear, consistent coding standards. Furthermore, these codes have practical applications beyond their traditional roles. For instance, international businesses use them to streamline logistics, manage customer relationships, and comply with various regulatory requirements. Travelers and expatriates benefit from understanding these codes when dealing with international travel documents, banking, and communication services. Beyond the technological and historical contexts, these coding systems also play a vital role in cultural and economic integration. For example, with global migration on the rise, standardized phone codes and ISO codes help streamline communication and administrative processes across borders. Whether it's immigrants maintaining connections with their home countries or multinational companies managing a diverse workforce, these codes facilitate seamless integration and coordination. In essence, the ongoing evolution of phone codes and ISO codes reflects our increasingly interconnected world. They are not static relics of the past but dynamic tools that adapt to new challenges and technologies. Their continued relevance is a testament to the importance of global standards in fostering communication, trade, and cooperation across every corner of the globe. Conclusion: that's everything you need to know about international phone codes and ISO country codes. These codes are essential for communication, travel, business, and digital services. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to compare for more interesting comparisons. Also, drop a comment below if you had any questions or if you want a video on a specific topic.